Don't buy these 8 sneakers in 2022. Listen up, because throughout this video, I think, in my opinion, I'm gonna help you guys save some money on these sneakers here in 2022. The first sneaker, we have a pair of Nike Dunks. That's right, the Panda Dunks. Don't buy these here in 2022. And when I mean don't buy them, don't pay crazy resale prices. They continuously restock. They're gonna continuously restock. It seems like this is becoming kind of like an Air Force One. Everybody loves the Panda Dunks. Everybody, it seems like, has a pair at this point, and they're continuously restocking them. So if you haven't had them yet, you do have a chance to cop in 2022 for retail when they're mass producing the Panda Dunks. So make sure you do not pay crazy resale prices. If you have to have them now, okay, but do not be impatient. Make sure you're paying a good price, because you know these are going to continuously restock and the price is just going to dip even more. Do not buy the Supreme Air Force Ones in 2022. Do not be paying crazy resale prices, because these are restocking pretty much every other week on Supreme's website. All white Air Force One, if you have to have them because you want the Supreme branding, if you're a little hype beast, you need them, I get it, myself included. If you need to have them, I get it, but do not be paying that crazy resale price for a sneaker that restocks pretty much every other week. And the all-white Air Force One, do not be paying resell like at all. These restock, they sit on Nike's website a lot of the times, on Sneakers app as well. If they're not there, you can wait it out. They're gonna restock. Nike mass produces the crap out of the all-white Air Force One. So once again, wait it out, pay retail. Don't even bother paying resale for these. These, I get it. If you're gonna pay resale, I get it. You have to have them now. You don't wanna wait. You don't wanna possibly hit on a restock. I get it, but don't be paying anything crazy. Nothing above like $150. Free Jordan 1 Mocha giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Air Jordan 1. The Air Jordan 1 Brotherhood. Do not buy these in 2022 if you're looking to make money. This sneaker is not it. Resale is actually below retail or right around retail. You can get them for, they sat on sneakers, they sat in some stores. Some people like this Jordan 1, some people do not. Resale is not there. This is only a Jordan 1 you should buy for the personal, and that's it. I don't think resale is gonna go up. I think it's gonna take way too long, where they'll be not worth the hold at all. So buy this Jordan 1 only if you wanna wear them. That's it. This is not a Jordan 1 that you're gonna make money on. When it comes to colorways like the Brotherhood Air Jordan 1, that's not that wearable for the masses. Don't buy them. For reselling anyway, you're not gonna make money like that on them. It's gonna be a quick flip, move on to the next release, if you even make some profit at all. Colorways like the Brotherhood are only a personal pair only, and that's it. And resell definitely shows that. Yeezys. Stay away from Yeezys right now in 2022, because, hear me out, Yeezy Day is coming. On Yeezy Day, we get a bunch of Yeezy restocks that you guys have a chance to get for retail. Hear me out, if you never owned a pair of Yeezys, Yeezy Day, we always get 1 or 2 pairs that are mass produced. A lot of people hit. A lot of pairs are made for Yeezy Day on 1 or 2 major releases. So make sure you guys definitely wait out for Yeezys. If you never owned a pair, don't pay resale right now. Hey, if you need to have them, I get it. Cool. It is what it is, but do not be paying crazy resale prices, because Yeezy Day is coming up in just a few months, and we have a chance. You got chances of copying some really good Yeezy colorways for retail on Yeezy Day. The Rebellionaire Jordan 1. If this is a sneaker you have to have now, I get it. However, if you can wait it out, I would say wait it out. I think their price is gonna stay steady for quite some time. Eventually it'll go up in price, but I think we have time on this sneaker. I don't think they'll really go up too much here in 2022. Definitely a must cop for me in my collection. The X on the back is very dope. Very nice writing. Shadow colorway. This is a dope shoe. The packaging really makes it all come together as well. But do not pay crazy resale at all for this sneaker. If you have to have them, cool. I think they're gonna stay stagnant for quite some time. You have time on this Air Jordan 1 release. Now stop right there. Don't even think about buying the Air Jordan 4 yet. hear me out. We're gonna get some upcoming Jordan 4s that are straight fire, and they're gonna have some resale value. So if you guys can cop some pairs for retail or not too bad of a price at all, and then trade them later on for another pair of Jordan 4s or any other sneaker you want, that might be a good route to go. It'll save you some money. So don't buy Jordan 4s right now on the aftermarket. Listen, guys, the truth is a lot of Jordan 4s that have recently released are crazy expensive. They're becoming the new Air Jordan 1. Speaking about Air Jordan 1s, do not buy the Air Jordan 1 here in 2022. Let me explain. Air Jordan 1 market has really come down if you look at the entire market of recent pairs. I think you guys need to buy the Jordan 1 for retail if you can get pairs for retail, and quick flip a lot of these pairs, because a lot of them are actually going down in price and just gonna take too long to really go up in price. So a lot of these Jordan 1s lately, you guys need to quick flip. Now there are some Jordan 1s that released, I would say really more so last year, that you could still hold on to. A few pairs from this year, maybe a very select few, but for the most part, Jordan 1s lately, the market's down. Now, if you want to wear the Air Jordan 1 and don't care about resale, you just want to put them on your feet and that's it, good to go, then wait it out. Wait it out, in my opinion, because a lot of Jordan 1s, older Jordan 1s from last year, the year before, are crazy expensive. And this year, we have some upcoming Jordan 1s that are not looking too bad at all. So if you're looking for some wearable colorways that you're going to rock that are not going to go crazy on the aftermarket, I would wait it out because we have some Air Jordan 1s and 4s as well coming up in 2022 that are straight fire and that you guys have a chance to get for retail and not have to spend crazy resale money. Yeezy foam runners and slides. We have a ton of colorways coming later on this year. Next year, they're gonna be restocking. They've already been restocking. They'll eventually mass produce the Yeezy slides as well as foam runners. The market will go up on certain pairs right now because they're gonna keep them limited for now, but eventually, Yeezy's for everyone, right? They will mass produce the crap out of Yeezy foam runners as well as Yeezy slides. So don't pay crazy resale for pairs. If you want to have them, you gotta have them now. Listen, I get it, myself included. Wait it out. If you can get them for retail, wait it out. They are producing more pairs, more colorways are coming. So if you have to have them now, pay resale, I get it, but don't pay anything too crazy. And if you can wait it out, I definitely suggest waiting out because they definitely will mass produce Yeezy foam runners and slides. You don't want to pay crazy money for something that you're going to wear practically every day because it's that comfortable and it's just foam at the end of the day. I love my Yeezy foam runners. I love my Yeezy slides. More colorways are coming, but if you can wait it out, I suggest waiting it out. If you guys get this video a bunch of thumbs up, I'm gonna do another video with 8 sneakers you should buy here in 2022. So make sure you guys smash that like button. Smash that like button, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this list. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.